Have you been searching for the perfect sedan with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2021 Toyota Corolla XSE in red. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 29,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, split folding rear seats, 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at Marino, CJD.com, stock number D6751.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.